Hello, my name's Crosby Johnston. I'm working for Strikepoint, and I'm flying here with Yellowhead Helicopters, and we're going into the mountains, and they're providing the service for us, flying us around in their aircraft. I'm working as mountain safety on these projects, ensuring the safety of the drillers and the workers on the mountain. And Yellowhead's doing a great job. They're excellent pilots. They're flying us in poor weather and difficult flying conditions, and doing a great job to keep us safe every day. They're great, friendly staff, and they help us out. I'm really happy to be flying with Yellowhead Helicopters.